Let's learn how to install apps on iPhone without using Apple ID password. So for this tutorial there are two ways that you can use to install applications without ID password. First one is using your Face ID to download the application. So for example, let's show you on some app that I don't have downloaded. Let's try this one. So if you type on get, as you can see now it says to confirm with side button, tap and Face ID will appear, and once you check in Face ID, application will start with downloading. You will have to set up this Face ID to download applications in your settings. Second way is if you have your if you installed your app before and you removed it, if you deleted it, you can install it again without using your Apple ID password. So I will find some app that I deleted and I will install it now. If you see this cloud icon, that means your app was downloaded on your device already before, and you can just tap on it and it will start with downloading, as you can see here. So you don't have to use your Apple ID password. This is two ways you can do this.